the area that short sell into right there. And you get a little trade at 60s. It's just traded down at 92s, which is pretty good. Still looks as if it's got maybe a little bit more juice in this. And this comes back to the conversation from yesterday about the fact that you do not want to be buying top edges. It's better, but it's still not cleared the problem that you've got on this trade, is it? Still not cleared the problem. In terms of measures, of course, you've now got a very obvious bracket that you can now measure, and you can see that the target price has been achieved on that measure. It is beautifully positioned right there, and that's obviously a little bit on the special side. And you can obviously see if that's the kind of trade there that you're always looking to try and trade into, isn't it? A measured move, full measured move into a trade area. And a great profit take for anybody that's been selling it since 14s. Obviously, trading down at 90 is a good bit of business there, guys. A good bit of business for a measured move on that. So that's exactly the trade that you wanted. Well done, anybody that was on it. So lots of good stuff going on here, guys. Lots of good stuff. That big M level at the top edge. Do you remember the conversation this morning about the 15s and 17s? You remember that conversation this morning? Yeah, you can't really forget it, can you? Where did the sell come in from? Where did the sell come in from in the US session? You see it? See the importance of these levels? Only one person that saw it. You're the only person that was in the room at the time, Ulrich, when I did that class. You may say, I don't understand what you mean by 15s to 17s. Well, we did a class in the London session where we told everybody about the importance of what price? What price did we tell everybody about the importance of? This price here, 15s to 17s. 15s to 17s. So we told everybody to make sure that they saw that. We tweeted it out as well, so it was in your tweets. I made a point of making very strong mention of it. You know, it had that special quality about it that was worthwhile mentioning all on its own. And if you don't get the tweets, nae luck, you never seen it. But if you do get the tweets, you will know all about this price. Because there's the tweet there. 10 o'clock this morning, I told everybody to watch the 15-16 area. And this was an order jamming location. See how beautiful that is? An order jamming location. So when you see the tweet, you already know that we've got something happening at 15-16. And, you know, you can recognize if you're trying to sell it, trading up towards 15 would be a great trade to sell against. Or if you're trying to buy it, buying it into the 15-16 would be a great trade. Well, guess what? 65.15s, 10 o'clock London time this morning. And you can see what happened here at 65.15s. The price traded up to it, got jammed into the 15-16s, and we got this beautiful rotational sell for way over $1,000. Now, that's the importance right there. That's you just paid for, well, depending upon how many contracts you trade, of course, you might have paid for a new island for yourself, but certainly you've paid for your next car, or paid for your next dine out with the missus. Whatever it is you've paid for, it's a beautiful bit of business.